gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to San Francisco's International Airport. The local time is approximately 3 minutes past 7 a.m. We will be taxiing for a few more minutes, so please remain seated until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please do not smoke until you are in a designated smoking area. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all of your personal belongings. Use care when opening the overhead bins, as the contents may have shifted during our flight. If you're connecting to other United or United Express flights, please check the TV monitors in the terminal and proceed to your gate for boarding. On behalf of United Airlines and our Boston-based flight attendants, we thank you very much for choosing United for your flight today. And we look forward to seeing you again soon on another United flight.